Shop here for it.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jordy, and we have
Ari.
We got Ari here at the gas station. You know, we seen a nice little baddie with her edges and her hair done, so we had to pull up on her and ask her, how often do you do your edges?
Almost every day.
Okay, do you ever like be on the go, like in your car, and you just be like, damn, I need to do my edges and I don't got no edge control with me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what do you do about that? You just ride around with just messed up edges?
See, my edges be curling up.
Okay.
Like any product I use, they still curl up regardless. So.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna show you this product that I have. Have you ever seen this?
No.
Okay, so basically this is like a used one, obviously we got new ones, but I just wanted to show you the concept. So basically it's an edge control inside of the tube, and when you push it.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Are you fucking up? Are you?
No, guys, I'm lit. Y'all tap in with the mink, man. I'm here with these beautiful ladies. Eventually they'll be getting their lashes and their massages done from the mink, man. Y'all come tap in.
Okay, mink, man, not us.
Nah, y'all come subscribe to our channel. No cap, we the leaders in the city with this shit. All the way from where you from?
I'm from Pittsburgh.
I'm from Tennessee.
Okay.
Pittsburgh, Tennessee to Atlanta, we running this shit. Y'all come tap in and subscribe to the channel.
Alright, mink man. Alright, mink
Let me
man.
get your IG real quick, cause I do want to see the vlog.
Okay, come on, let's get it.
I customize lashes though, real shit. I be selling the hair.
Yeah, because my lashes is looking a little fucked up right now.
I'm lit right now.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Y'all ladies check me out though, yeah.
That's it.
Oh, you
Did you
doing
show
interview?
This your page?
Yes.
I interrupted.
And it's gonna be great. This is for TikTok,
I'm so
so you gonna go viral.
I'm so sorry.
Are you?
I'm sorry.
I don't know if you're sorry.
I'm not sorry.
Because I had to finish telling Ari about the
I'm not
concept.
sorry. Never be sorry, but you can apologize, but never be sorry because you're never sorry in life. Just every day. Give grace to God.
Okay, Mr. McMahon. Okay, alright, so look, back to it. This is an edge control brush. So whenever you leave the tube, edge control comes out the brush part.
Okay.
So it's easy, you can take it, you can put it in your purse, you can have it in your car console, all that with you. So yeah, it's just a 3-in-1. And for this video, we just wanted to give you our business cards and stuff like that so that you can, you know, purchase one in your free time and follow us on Instagram.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Yeah, come on, let's get it. Okay, wait. What do I say?
I'm just gonna
You know, like travel size hair products. So I just wanted to ask you a few questions on like your edges. I see you got some edges done and stuff. And I sell edge control and I sell laces. Y'all, we have, what's your name? Dream?
Yes.
We have Dream here, and I seen her slant at the gas pump, and I just had to ask her, how often do you do your edges?
Every day.
Do you ever do your edges in the car? Okay, have you ever seen a 3-in-1 edge brush?
No.
Okay, so basically what this is, the edge control is in here, and when you squeeze it, it comes out the brush.
Okay.
So that's all we got here, and we wanted to know if you can follow us on Instagram.
Of course.
Okay, our Instagram name is Shop Hairport, and yeah, that's what we got going on.
All right.
All right, thanks.
I'm just getting B-roll.
Hairport, like airport, but it's Hairport.
Hey, you already know what it is, man. It's Codeine Dre with motherfucking Savage Riders in this bitch. Make sure y'all shop Hairport, alright? Period.
Thank you. Recorded? Hi. We were just riding around Atlanta trying to, you know, spread the word about Hairport. Yeah. Talk to me nice, don't talk to me twice. Big sacks on me, you feel me? Big racks on me. What you got over there, Angel? I sell hair products. It's called Hairport. Follow me on Instagram.
Okay.
Here, you can get one too.
Thanks, boo.
It's a sticker. Thanks. Hi. Hey. Hi.
Can we give you guys a business card?
Did you get that? Can I give you one of my business cards? Thanks. I sell travel size hair products. It's called Hairport.
Okay. That's how you do it.
Hi. Uncle JoJo wanted a bite of this Snicker cat. Oh shit. As I sit at the fucking green light. Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's this point
in here.
And they can scan the QR code and it'll go straight to the website.
Oh, there's hella people right there at that restaurant. I'm gonna wipe this.
No, duh. Ain't that what y'all was talking about? The park? You know what I really want to do?
What?
Not like today, obviously, but this is what I had in mind like years ago. I always wanted to go to the strip club, have stacks and stacks of ones, and really take the time to staple my fucking business cards
on all
to
of
the
them?
ones
Yeah, I'm good.
And just...
That would go viral.
That would go viral. We should do it.
We should do it.
When are we going to do it?
And you don't even got to do like a ton of bread, bro. You can
No,
literally
because ones look like a lot of money. What's your Instagram so we can make sure we get free parking?
I ain't got it. I don't use social media.
Come on, you lying. That's real. Control reviews and like sticking up posters and stuff, and there's like this big group of people with like
you can actually do her edges though.
I want to see what they look like first.
Okay.
Yeah, we're vlogging. We're making them use it, and I look like a creep. Hold on, I'm gonna call you right back so I don't look like a creep and get shot at. I'll call you right back.
Let's just get out. Fuck it. That's probably
Hey,
the best way to
y'all.
approach this.
Can we get y'all on our YouTube video? Can we get y'all on our YouTube video?
Can y'all be in this YouTube video? YouTube?
If you ain't know you got the card.
What's okay, look, I sell hair products that are travel size, like edge control, lace glue, lace remover, all that stuff. So like we're just riding around Atlanta tonight and trying to get beautiful ladies in our YouTube video and pass out business cards and also, you know, try our products and everything like that. So do y'all do y'all edit? Yeah, my How was our manager?
You guys sing?
You want to get on our YouTube?
I mean, I get on there and I've been rocking the ball base since 05.
Okay.
05. But I'm ready. Come on.
Alright, so look, this is what I got. My business is called Hairport. It rhymes with airport, right? Okay. So it's all travel size and convenient products. So I just wanted to show y'all. Have y'all ever seen something like this before?
No. Oh wow.
So basically what this is, don't play with it. Basically what this is, it's an edge control tube, right? So when you squeeze it, edge control comes out of the brush part. So if you know you don't really know how to do your edges, it's simple. All you gotta do is squeeze and squeeze and your edges is right there. You know what I mean? So I do have some on me if y'all wanna get some. They're only $15, but I do wanna give y'all my card so y'all can follow me on Instagram.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Come on.
What's the name?
Hairport. Hairport.
I used to say that 1,000 times.
Beer products or
We're doing beer products next. We're doing beer products next. That's the next line. Beer.
Oh, beer. I love that. We got you already in the video. Ladies, we trying to Janae. Nicole and Stacey Kiana. Okay.
Stacey Kiana, social security number 521.
Don't hate the player, hate the game. Okay, can we get y'all Shop Hairport together as one? Okay, 1, 2, 3.